Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to Daily Code Buffer. In this video of JS Buffer, we are going to see the index of method of an array. So index of method is used to find the first occurrence of an element in an array. So let's take the array over here. So we are taking the fruits array over here where we have banana, orange, apple and mango. And here, let's find the orange over here. What is the index of an orange? So what we can do over here is, let's create the index over here. Let I equals to fruits dot index of function. Here it says that it returns the index of the first occurrence of a value in an array, or -1 if it is not present. So let's use this and let's pass the element over here. Let's say we have to get the orange value. What is the index of an orange? Let's print this out. Console.log I over here. So we should be getting the 1 over here. So 1 is the index of an orange. So let's run this. And here you can see that we are getting 1. So 1 is the index of an orange. So it will always return the first occurrence. And if the value is not present, suppose I am giving orange 1, which is not present in the array, and we run it again, it should return -1. Here you can see that it will return -1. So there is one more thing over here, that is from where this particular index will start from to search for a particular element. So if we define over here that we should start from the second element, that means the search for the index will start from the second element and it will skip the first and second element, 0 and 1. And if we run it again, we should be getting -1 as we are starting from the second index over here. So orange won't be available until this point of the values or this point of the elements. So that's how we can use the index of function of an array in JavaScript. So that's all in this quick video. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding. Bye bye.